Hey guys, it's Taishir. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be kind of doing a beach inspired makeup look. So I was just like sitting in my bed, how it usually goes, trying to think of like makeup look ideas, and I just drew up a little face chart thing of kind of like a beach ocean inspired look. So it kind of is like inspired by like beach, ocean, sand, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do this. Hopefully it goes good. I was like a little bit like skeptical because it does go like from dark to light in the crease, and usually it's the other way around, but we're gonna try today. So if you guys want to see that, my beach inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I zoomed in a little bit so you can see the eyes, because like that's pretty much the main focus of this look. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. Also, blue eyeshadow is kind of my arch nemesis. It just takes me so long to blend it out compared to like other colors. I feel like I have to work you should work very precisely and like take your time with all looks, but especially with blue, it like takes me a second for it to look good. So this whole look might be a disaster. What happened there? This whole look might be a disaster, but even if it is, we'll still post it and laugh about it and all that good stuff. So, and if my eyebrows look crazy, let's just ignore them. I've been trying to like figure out a way to do them better. I think they're looking better and better each time. I'm just looking in the monitor to see what it looks like on camera. So first we're going to take the Alexis Stone and Makeup Revolution palette, and we're going to take the second blue in the row of blues. So like I said, this look is a little bit different from like a usual look that I would do because darker and then lighter. So I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. So I'm just going to take that second blue and lightly start blending that into the crease. On that same brush, I'm just going to take a skin color shade of eyeshadow and go above it just to like blend it out some more. This isn't looking as blue, but we're gonna add the third blue. Oh yeah, there we go. That's adding some more blue back into that. I think I have an idea of what I'm gonna do for you to be able to see the lighter blue, but we'll do that when the time gets there. Okay, now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit more concealer and kind of like lightly not cut the crease completely, but put some concealer down so then I can put the lighter blue and you'll be able to like see it better. Now I'm going to take the Beauty Bay EYN Bright palette, and we're going to take Paradise and Daydream. We're going to start blending that under that darker blue. I think it's looking pretty okay. I'm gonna look in the viewfinder just so I can see really quick, or the monitor I mean. You see how it's like lighter and then darker? I'm just trying to like make it so there's a really intense difference that you can see. So I'm just like on the light blue and then a little bit closer to like the lid, I'm putting some of that light blue and white, and then just the white on top just to make everything lighter. See, like that is looking pretty good. So I'm just mixing Paradise and Daydream, but then also White Lies and putting that into the crease. Now I'm going to take just White Lies and put that in the crease, and it just brightens up that blue. I'm going to cut the crease, but I'm not going to take it all the way high up. I think I'm going to do it like just to right here. You'll see once I like do it or whatever. So this is going to be for the sand part of it. And that color concealer. Basically already kind of looks like sand, but we're gonna set it with eyeshadow just to set everything in place and to make that color more intense. So we're gonna take Bare Necessities from the Beauty Bay palette. You see how that kind of looks like ocean and sand? I mean, it kind of does. This is what I was going for. I hope you guys can like kind of see the vision that I was going for. I'm gonna blend this out just to like make it more blended together. But that's basically the vision that I was going for, and we're gonna put more white here just to like make it brighter like this side. But this is basically what it's meant to look like, but we're gonna fix it up, make everything brighter. And yeah, okay, so I finished the eye look and I just put some blue gems here and then some like yellow beigey ones on the lid. I'll do a close-up so you can see. I just feel like it really adds a sparkle that I wanted, and also like it's kind of giving me seashell vibes. So yeah, I really like that. For the outer part, I'm just going to take the first blue in the Makeup Revolution palette. Basically put it under on the outer part of my eye. I'm just going to take Bare Necessity and put it on the front half, so basically that sand color that we used. In my face chart, it's just gonna have a nude glossy lip, so I'm just gonna do that and then I'll come back with the finished result. Okay, so I just put on a nude lip. You can barely even see it, it's like really nude. But this is the final finished look. I think it's really cute. I really like the way it came out. I think it looks really good. I was very nervous about doing the dark to light, but I feel like it gives pretty beach vibes, like especially like with the sand and the lighter blue and stuff like that. In my opinion, I feel like I'm happy with it, I guess, and that really matters. Like I was saying before, like I always do, I'll give you guys a close-up just so you can really see everything in its full glory. So yeah, I really like doing this video because I feel like not only was it really like pretty, I like the way it looks, I love the way blue looks on brown eyes, and also it was kind of a challenge because I never did like dark to light shadow before. It's like I have before, but usually you put the lightest at the top and then work down with the darkest, but today was kind of opposite. So yeah, I'm really happy with how the look looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here, but it'll also be in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, subscribe right here. Watch another video. Like, you're already here, so you might as well just like click, all that good stuff. Period.